Finally, I'm not running back. I'm turning up and down and I Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today will be a sponsored video featuring Hot Beauty Hair. Now, they did send me their 18-inch body wave unit. Now, this unit is actually a unit that I actually constructed myself as far as making it a middle part, because these little bangs right here. There are two little wispy bangs right here, and it was actually supposed to actually have front bangs, but I'm not really a fan of body wave front bangs, like, if that makes sense. I don't like bangs in the front and then body waves. Like, that's just not like my style. But I did let the company know if I'm able to make it a middle part, I will most definitely, you know what I'm saying, you know, hook it up. I was able to make it a middle part and turn basically the front bangs into wispy bangs, which are these little pieces right here. I don't know if you guys can see, I did do a good job with blending it and curling the hair. This unit is 18 inches, you guys, and it's actually a body wave. So I did put some curls in it. Now, when I did put some curls in it, I kind of felt like it may or may not drop, because when I was curling it, you guys, I can kind of tell with the hair if it's gonna stay or not. But the good thing about this hair is that it's naturally wavy and the waves are very defined. So I did air dry the hair and noticed the waves in it already. So I'm like, okay, let me just curl it, you know what I'm saying, just to get more volume in the hair. And then I let the curls fall. So this is what happened when the curls failed, and then it just went into a beautiful body wave. So I really love how this turned out. And before we get into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time that I post, you don't miss an update. Finally, I'm not running back. I'm turning up and down and I'm coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good, damn, I know you're mine, you know it too, fine. I might be wrong, but I don't care, I just did my own. Just been on there waiting for you to come here and be under 18. Ride my wave, would you ride my vibe? Cause I've been giving you my time, and I make iced tea and I make it where you learn. Yeah, frozen out, I be the one you run to. And I be for you and no one else. Tell me what you want, I be going in, trying to find a list. And I make iced tea and I make it with your lemon. Yeah, I'm on the jets, I make you break when I quest. I'ma light up this place, let me spice up the plate. Set it up, shake it, squeeze, pour it up and make it freeze. Make that tea, the vibe is made, the vibe is made. It's my peace of mind, I'ma give you one more try, yes. If you need a ride, then you met the leading vibe, yes. Come and get this on, you can put it where you like. I'ma tell you on my vibe, but now I see you just been on there waiting for you to come, yeah, and be on that 13. Ride my wave, would you write my mind? Cause I've been giving you my time, baby, I make iced tea and I make it where you lemons. Yeah, flower and all, I be the one you run to. And I be for you and no one else. Tell me what you want, I be going in, trying to find a lane. I make iced tea and I make it where you lemons. Yeah, yeah. You know that really going mad. You know you really going mad. You know you really going mad. So let me help you squeeze. I know you wanting me. I know you wanting me. Yeah, you want lace goes, you guys. I did notice that it was a clear lace, so I wasn't really sure how it was gonna blend. And today I decided not to use any like Ghost Bomb glue or any of that white glue. I just didn't feel like putting that all on my hair today, and then I have to turn around and do another video tomorrow. So I just used my Even Wonder Lace spray, which I will go ahead and put that in the description box, because this lace spray does lay down really good in it, and your hair does stick. But see, with this unit, I probably was better off using a Ghost Bond glue, because this is that type of unit where like you need to make sure that it blends really good, like, or you're definitely gonna see the lace. I still kind of feel like I can see the lace just a little bit, just because of how the lace is. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of certain clear laces. Like this clear lace is like hard, and you have to take a little bit more time to blend this. So I would definitely suggest you use Ghost Bond glue, like that white sticking, you know, that one glue that you use for your ball cap method, because I didn't do my ball cap method today either. So this is that type of wig that you need to do that with. This is not one of those wigs where you could just use the spray and then you're just good to go, just because of how the lace is. Now if it was a little more transparent or a little more HD, you probably could do it that way, but you're still able to get a look out of it. The hair, as you guys can see, the way I did the wig and everything, it's very, very gorgeous. You just need to take your time with this unit if you're not going to use Ghost Bond glue. Now as far as the parting on this unit, it was very, very easy to go ahead and part it. Of course, I made a middle part. Now I did dye the unit jet black, so it did turn the hair, like the knots, a little dark. So I did have to use some type of concealer. Now I did try to use my light concealer, but obviously that did not work. It came out too light, so I had to go in the bathroom and use my NARS and then use alcohol to make sure it wasn't too bright. Yeah, it was just a lot. So I would definitely suggest you just go ahead and bleach these knots and then just go from there. When you do dye it, just be careful because the knots will also be dark as well. As far as baby hairs, you guys, I didn't show me plucking because I didn't pluck it already on my mannequin head. So I pulled out some baby hairs and then I began to pluck. Make sure you definitely pluck this unit. Other thing, you guys, you will see, I don't know if you guys notice, when you look in the inside of a unit, you will see the inside of it, and you see that lace, like that net that's under it. Some of that is under the unit and it's a little bit hard coming like right here. It's not noticeable when you put on the unit, of course, but just want to let you know you will kind of see like a net under there, just so you guys are aware. And then the baby hairs, once I went on ahead and laid the lace down, the baby hairs were very easy to pull out. I will say that the hair is very, very soft and silky, so you won't have an issue with your baby hairs. But a good thing about the unit as well is that it is a 4x4. So for my girls who are beginners, we love our 4x4s. It's very, very easy. You put your baby hairs in the front, or you don't even have to put baby hairs at all. This type of unit, you definitely don't have to do baby hairs at all if you don't want to, just because it's just not really necessary. But I wanted to do baby hairs. Like I said, baby hairs are beginning to be my thing, so I pulled out my baby hairs and they look, well, one is shorter than the other, but you know, they still look cute. As far as the texture, you guys, this is 180% density. So as you guys can see, this hair is really, really full, and for it to be 18 inches, I really don't have an issue with how, you know, short it is, because I am used to longer lengths. But for this to be like as full as it is, it has a lot of volume, and even when the curls fell, they gave it so much like bounce and everything. I don't even mind it being 18 inches. Then the texture of this hair, you guys, is definitely giving me a yucky texture feel for sure. It definitely has a little bit of silkiness to it because it has that shine, and then it definitely has bounce. So I think it definitely has just a little bit of mixture of both, but I think it's more of a yucky texture, which makes the hair, you know, the hair looks really, really natural, and just, it looks really, really good. I really, really love how this hair turned out. Again, this hair has bangs, you guys. So initially it would have been a body wave unit with bangs, but I wanted to do a middle part because I'm not into the bangs. So you have versatility within this unit. You can keep the unit with the front bangs, or you can make it into a middle part, or you can even try to even do it as a side part if you want to. I think the tracks start right here. You can try to do a side part. You may not get that side part that you want to, because I know I like my side parts just a little deep. But yeah, you can try, but this is most definitely, I would just say to just do a middle part, or you can do an updo look. I would say if you want to do an updo ponytail look, I think this hair can most definitely do that. It has plenty of space in the middle to where you can do that. This hair also has an adjustable strap, which I love the adjustable straps, which is the elastic band that you put on your hair first, and then you have the actual adjustable straps that come basically customized into the unit. So you basically have your adjustable straps, and then you have your elastic band, which makes the hair really secure. So you won't have to worry, bigger head girls, smaller head girls. I feel like once you have that elastic band on there, the hair is really not going nowhere, and it actually helps it to blend even more. So that's really also what helped the hair too, is that they put that elastic band on there and it helped it, you know, blend and help it stay down and secure on my head. As far as any tangling or any shedding, I did not get any type of tangling or any shedding in this unit. Hair is just so beautiful, you guys. Despite of you having to do a little bit more maintenance as far as the lace goes, the overall unit, you guys, the overall unit, I think the next time I probably install this unit, I will have like a either a hairstylist do it, or I'll have to use the white Ghost Bond glue, because I think it just would have been better me using that, but I just didn't feel like putting all that glue in my head today. But yes, this wig is gorgeous. This is definitely a beautiful unit. I really love this unit, you guys. And it's crazy because you never know, sometimes you're like, I hope the style comes out right. I really do. But I didn't know how it was gonna look with these wispy, you know, short bangs that I had to make into a middle part, but it came out really nice. Now you guys can purchase this unit off of hotbeautyhair.com. I will have everything in the description box for you guys. Now this unit does go from an 18-inch to a 24-inch, so you have plenty of options there. I think doesn't matter what inch, this hair will be so beautiful, you guys. This unit is very full, it's very bouncy, and it's definitely going to give you that look that you're looking for. This unit at 18 inches will run you for about $279. Now the good thing about this website is that it does have Afterpay. So with Afterpay, basically you pay in 2 of 4 interest-free payments. So let's just say you're trying to make a payment on this 18-inch. So you will probably pay about $69 at checkout, and then the next 2 weeks later you will go ahead and you will pay another $69 and another $69. So if you don't have it all in full, no worries, they do have Afterpay, which all of that information will be in the description box as well, and you guys will basically see how, you know, how that goes and everything. So this will be the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you Hot Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post a new video you don't miss that update. Like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.